Good morning, dolls, and welcome to Little Gretchen's workshop. So today is part 2 of the gift that looks like a haul. Now, this is the actual property that was gifted to me before Christmas from Wendy Waeghe. Thank you again, Wendy. This is a beautiful, beautiful house. I definitely am putting together some wonderful plans, but I just want you dolls to really see the view and some actual footage from the appraiser. Look at the sides of the house. It's solid. It has good bones. Some may say it needs a new paint job, but all those things are cosmetic. It has a beautiful roof, nice and solid. Excellent, excellent condition on the roof. Dolls, these are things that make renovation of a dollhouse very easy because it's stable and in good condition. Beautiful piece of property in a great location. Actually, the men of the community are actually looking into the condition of the house and what needs to be done. Now, again, this is a previously loved home. There needs to be some remodeling, some upgrading, some renovation, but I want you to just see the actual structure of the home. It's very solid. It's very well made. I honestly feel like renovating dollhouses is my favorite thing to do, to repurpose, re-envision, breathe new life, to make it beautiful again in a different way. Thank you, Wendy, for trusting me with the task. Now, I'm trying to stay out of the way, but I overheard the men talking about painting. They're talking about windows. They're discussing what professionals need to be brought in. Things need to be done to bring the house up to code. Based on how many people showed up at the rooming house, there's definitely a need for more housing. So I'm really excited about what the dolls are doing and looking into doing with this particular piece of property to make sure that there's additional housing for the dolls of the community. So I'm very, very grateful, very, very excited. Here is a overall view of the property from a distance so you can see the size of the home, and like I said, the full condition and how solid it really is. It is a beautiful piece of property. So let's go in and look at the rooms individually based on what my vision for the house is. Now, I expect this to be the kitchen area. This area would be like the living room, dining room area. I'm really tickled. The dolls are talking about materials. Based on the conversation I'm hearing, they think that this house can be brought up to code really quickly. They're really excited to make sure that there's plenty of housing for the other dolls in the community. These are the 2 upstairs bedrooms. So it appears to be some agreement going on. And there is an attic space, and it appears to be already habitable. Except there needs to be a safe staircase with a rail attached so people can get in and out of the attic space. So the work is really cut out for the dolls, but they are up for the challenge. They have plenty of materials and plenty of skilled people to get the job done. So I'm just giving you another view of the outside of the house. And again, a special shout out to Wendy Waeghe for this amazing gift. Me and the dolls are very happy and very grateful that you were so generous as to give us this beautiful gift along with all the lovely furnishings that can be used to go in the house. I am just overjoyed and the dolls are absolutely ecstatic. Now, if you haven't seen part 1 of this gift, I will leave a link in the description. So dolls, if you want to know what's going on for this new piece of property, definitely stay tuned, and I'm looking forward to seeing you on the next episode of Little Gretchen's Workshop. Bye-bye now, dolls.